Hi guys, it's Shell, Heart of It All Custom Creations. Welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button to see future videos. I post new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. So today I'm going to do a super adorable lemonade mason jar tumbler. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So I have this sublimation tumbler that's a mason jar, and I'm going to use this. I want the outside to be a light yellow like lemonade. So I am going ahead and lightly sanding this. And then I will clean it off with 91% rubbing alcohol to get off all of that dust and debris. So I am taping up the threads of this tumbler so that I don't get any epoxy on it and won't have to worry about cleaning all that up. And yeah, so I'm going to mix up, I'm actually mixing up quite a bit of epoxy because I have other cups to epoxy. And then I just need 1 or 2 milliliters for this particular tumbler. So I'm going to go ahead and mix up this epoxy, and I want to say I probably did about 30 milliliters here, and I have to transfer it to a bigger cup because this was about to spill over. So I'm going to go ahead and mix that up really good, and then we will apply the epoxy to the tumbler and glitter it. So now I'm going ahead and making sure that this tumbler is completely covered with a thin coat of epoxy, and then we're going to grab the glitter. The glitter I'm going to use today is by the Glitter Heart Co., and it is Buttermilk, and it is a stunning light yellow, so I thought that would be perfect for this particular tumbler. So I'm going to let this sit to dry for a few hours, and right now we're going to go ahead and start on the lid. So the mason jar lid has this rubber piece in the side, but I'm going to add a slice of lemon and some fake ice cubes to the top, and I'm going to adhere these starting with UV resin. So I just add a little bit of resin on there and attach the ice cubes, and then I'm going to use my little UV flashlight to harden that up. Once I get all of them on there, I do put this under my big UV lamp for a couple of minutes just to make sure that it's all done. So for now, I'm just going to go ahead and start arranging things the way that I want it. And I had a lemon wedge and a lemon slice, and I wasn't sure which one that I wanted to use, but I decided to go with the slice. the very top of this lid has a little rubber piece that you can close the hole. And I am an idiot for not taking that out before I put all the ice cubes on. But I was able to get it out of the way. So after all of that UV resin is set, I am mixing up just a little bit of fast epoxy, the Chaos Resin Liquidy Split. And I'm going to tint this yellow using alcohol ink. And I want to say that it's called lemon. So I'm just putting a few drops in there and mixing that together. And then I'm going to drizzle it all over, avoiding where the hole is. And just this helps the ice cubes to stay more stationary for any reason, and also it adds that little hint of yellow. After a couple coats of epoxy, this is ready to add a decal. I always print out, whenever I print out labels and stuff, I always print out a couple just in case one doesn't happen to work out. So I am going to remove this and place this right on the front of the tumbler. Now, once this is on there, I've already sealed this, but I make sure to seal it again so that, because the next step we're going to be using some water and I don't want it to ruin it. So I print out some ice cubes on waterslide, and I'm just going to cut those out and place them in the water and add them around the tumbler. Once that dries, I will go ahead and add 2 final coats of epoxy on this, and it'll be done. I'm going to go ahead and add the lid back on, and you can just see how adorable this tumbler turned out. And I went with the ice cubes. I went back and forth whether to use them or not, and I'm so glad that I did. But I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a great big thumbs up. And this tumbler will be available on the website if you're interested. See you next time. Bye, guys.